So what's up, YouTube? Back again, out here in Fort Worth. About to get this load unloaded, and we're gonna go from there. Hopefully today will be sunny. Today's gonna be a good day. Today's gonna be a great day. So let's get out the truck, and I have this load about to unload. I'll let y'all watch me do this. Set it up, and we're about to get it. All right, so got all my straps unstrapped. That didn't take long, did it? Did not take long. I'm gonna put this flag up. And we're just gonna sit here until he's done unloading us. The sun is bright. So what we talked about yesterday, we talked about my application at Lone Mountain. So yeah, I filled out the application at Lone Mountain. I called them. I did my application over the phone. It wasn't like super hard. It wasn't hard at all. He took all my information as far as name, how long I've been trucking, address, social, just pretty normal stuff. And it wasn't a hard application process. So if anybody's out there looking to get a truck from Lone Mountain, this is kind of the process I'm going through. I'll keep y'all updated on what's going on with them and how everything is going. But yeah, so it wasn't a hard process. I'm out here, like I said, in Fort Worth, just unstrap my load, waiting on him to come and get it, and we're gonna go. All right, so they're about to unload this load off. They got some 60 foot, some 40 foot, and some 20 foot. So you can kind of see them pulling up to my trailer. Oh goodness, I had to sleep in the trunk last night. I had like 2 hours on my clock and I didn't feel like driving home. I could have drove home and got closer to being over here, but oh well. I think I slept in like 2 hours, so I could have been up at 4, but I didn't get up till like maybe 5:36. Right now it's, what time is it now? It's 8:13, so I had to get up at 6:30ish. And then last night, shoot, I was watching the movie Tenet with I think it's Denzel Washington's son. That's a long movie. I'm gonna have to watch it again. I bought it off YouTube for $25. So yeah, that wasn't too responsible of me, but I wanted to watch the movie. I wanted to chill and relax because it was gonna be hard for me to watch it at home, because once I go home I gotta help my son, I gotta help my wife, you know what I'm saying, I gotta do things around the house. So it was a little me time, you feel me? We got a little me time in, and that's what I did. So there he goes with that load. As you can see, got the rebar. You see him going into the yard, and you know what I'm saying, that's just what it is. That's how we moving. And there goes that truck over there, that cement truck. And guys probably got a pretty easy job. I know my truck is a little dirty, but yeah, let me turn the camera back around. All right, y'all, so now we are in the shop. I did an inspection on my truck and I noticed I was missing a mud flap. So if you'll see, we kind of getting that mud flap fixed, but we're also getting a oil change on this truck. It was needed, so I might as well knock two birds out with one stone. They're trying to get me to go move some trailers or whatever and take another load. I'm on my 8th load, I think number 8 for the week. It's Thursday, and I just need 2 more loads to get my 10, which I will get, and then I'll get my bonus. I just spoke to someone, somebody emailed me, and they were telling me that Jordan told them they needed 3 months of experience before he could come over here. But he said once he does come over here, he'll put my name down and all that. So thank you guys again. I was talking to somebody yesterday, and they're working in the process of getting a CDL, and like they were saying how they're gonna go through like a service to get the LLC and stuff like that for their business, and that's just something I'm not for. You know what I'm saying? I'm against going to a service where you can sign up all that stuff for yourself. It's a lot cheaper. The things that they're saying they're doing for you, it's not nothing serious. It's not nothing that's, you know what I'm saying, spectacular that you can't do for yourself. So maybe we can talk about that in the next video, how to set up an LLC. Pretty much you just go to the state secretary website, You get your LLC. You go to the whatever. I guess I forget where you go to get the EIN, but you know what I'm saying. It's something that you can Google. So, you know what I'm saying. I don't have everything right now, like prepared, but you know what I'm saying. That's just pretty much the basic stuff. And then setting up your bank account, the paperwork you need for your bank account. What else do you need? As far as your like business address, your business phone number. Um, yeah, we'll get into that. You know what I'm saying? Because I think that's something that people like. I feel like it's, you know what I'm saying. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy and save your money. Right. Once you learn how to do it, because if you open one business, that's probably not the last business you're gonna open. And then these people are charging like $200 a year to do nothing. You know what I'm saying? Like, what are they doing for $200 a year? They're not a CPA. They're not your bookkeeping. Like, what are they doing? So, we're gonna talk about that in one of my next videos, how to start an LLC. But stay tuned for that. Deuces.